back. Push forward. Oh, careful, mate. Just gently, yeah? Like that. Just gently. Yeah? Just careful with the stick. Yeah, that's lovely. So, it's a nice and normal flight, yeah? Driving straight. Lovely stuff. Another great natural born pilot. Great little natural born pilot here. He's flying it very well. He's not climbing too much or anything. It's lovely stuff there, mate. Lovely stuff. Flying. We want to land now. I want to give it a go at landing. Come that way, yeah, lovely stuff. Should be a runway to the left. That ringway, there should be one just there. You can see that lit up. That's where we want to be. So level it out a bit. That's fine. That's fine. Careful. Lovely stuff. Just.
Thank you.
Right, I'll cut all power. Yeah. That's it. Let it glide itself in, lovely. It's not going anywhere, that. I'll get you right. So just don't steer it now. Keep your hand off it. Just let it steer itself. There you go.
Amazing,